Today I'm going to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to set up this VAISEKE Smart Reset Slim LED panel lighting 6-pack. Unfortunately, my recessed canister light, it is too big. So today I'm just going to have you guys set up through the app and how to do the connection real quick. So you need to download this app by doing the QR code scanning. So I'm going to look on the QR code scanning on my phone. Here's the QR code. And I'm going to scan the QR code right here. And then just click on the link. So it's a Smart Life. Just click on download. Or you go to your Google Play Store or the iOS Store and then search Smart Life. And just click on install. And click on open. So you need to sign up a new account if you're a brand new user, or you can log in if you have an existing account already. So I need to click on sign up and click on agree. So you need to enter your email. And after that, it said you need to click on get verification code. You need to get it from your email account and then enter it here. You have less than a minute to enter it in. And after that, you ask you to enter your password and mix up letters and numbers. And after that, just click on done. So you need to click on the add device or over here. So before we do that, we're going to go ahead and activate the hub. So with the hub setting, you could have 2.4 gigahertz or the 5.0 gigahertz network. So since I got my power bank right here, I'm going to plug it in and see what's it doing. Got the red and then the blue LED right now. Now the red become a blinking blue. I'm going to go open my app and see. So I'm going to click on add. Wow, there are so many devices over here. I'm going to go into the lighting. So it'll be this one right here, ceiling light, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. So you need to connect into your Wi-Fi and enter the password. So it says I ensure the device is turned on, so my device is not on. I'm pretty sure I've had to connect it. So in order to connect this, I'll need to open this box up. And I got my plug right here. I'm going to, there's a black and then a white cable right there. I'm just going to insert through here for now in the plug. Well, I haven't plugged it in yet, so And then the green wire is the ground. And I'm going to connect this to one of the recessed light. Black go with black. White go with white. Alright, let's see. I'm trying to point this at that directions, not directly to the camera, so it won't blind your eye. And now I'm going to connect this plug in. Ooh, there you go. So it says connection timeout. I need to enter my password again. So I need to switch on, off, on, off, on. So right, it's on, off, on, off, on. So somehow I got the connection right now. Oh, so I need to select the smart life. There you go, it says adding device. Let's click on done. So there's a new update now. You could also turn on this automatic update. So now we are discovering a device nearby. So it sees one right here. And click on done. And right here, you can name it whatever you want. You could put like a test one or patio light or kitchen or living room, whatever you want to name it. Or you could put like a sink light. And click on done. So yeah, I believe you need to do each one for each of the light. Alright, so now it's a white color. We're gonna change a different color and see. Wow. And you can change to scene. So music. Hello. Oh, you gotta click on while using the app. Hello. Whoa. Maybe you gotta play the music on your phone. And on the bottom right here, you can set the timer. Guys, how many minutes or whatever, or hour. Let's see, up to 24 hours, and minutes is up to 60 or 59 minutes. And you can confirm that or cancel, or click on more. You could schedule this light or power on behavior. Let's go and click on schedule, and then click on add. So you could add the times, and you could put like a Sunday through Saturday here, or it is once. You could also do the note or notification. You can set it this is on, or you can, what time you want to set it off. So color right now is on red. So this is dimmable. And you can just cut it here for purple, yellow, green. You can mix it whatever color you want. And there's an on and off button right here. So now it's off. Alright, so after I did the update and everything, you need to close up the app so it won't be like glitchy or lagging. So when you click on the white, you can adjust the brightness. This is probably the 6500K. And then lower to 2700K. This is like an amber color. And then color. This is where you could choose a different color and stuff like that. Or the brightness. And then color temperature. And then you could click on scene. Let's turn it lower. On the scene, on the bottom right here, you can select night or which is brighter, or working, leisure, soft, colorful, dazzling, and then gorgeous. And if you like, you click on the editing button right there. And right here you could change the color, the flash color. This one is brief right now. You can set on like a flash. So static. Let's change back to breathe. And when you change to breathe, you can change the speed. And this is the faster speed. And as you can see, change the color to faster. And to the left is slower. And music. So when you play music, boom, 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 like that, you just change your color. So I'm hitting the microphone. So when it gets louder, it get brighter. Okay? Oh yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. And be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description so you can check out this awesome resets lights. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. like always. Peace.